Irish whiskey comes in several distinct styles, each offering its own unique flavor profile and production methods. The four main types of Irish whiskey are single malt, single pot still, grain whiskey, and blended whiskey. Single malt. Irish whiskey. Single malt whiskey is made from 100% malted barley and is distilled in a single distillery using pot stills. This style is similar to Scotch whiskey, but often features a smoother, lighter flavor profile, as Irish whiskey is typically distilled 3 times, unlike Scotch, which is usually distilled twice. Single malt Irish whiskey is known for its rich, malty flavors, often with notes of fruit, honey, and spice. Notable examples include Bushmills 10-year-old and Teeling single malt. Single pot. Still whiskey. This style is unique to Ireland and is made from a mix of malted and unmalted barley, distilled in traditional copper pot stills. The use of unmalted barley gives single pot still whiskey a distinctive creamy, oily texture and a complex flavor profile, often featuring spicy, nutty, and fruity notes. Single pot still whiskey is considered by many to be the quintessential style of Irish whiskey. Examples include Redbreast 12-year-old and Green Spot. Grain whiskey. Grain whiskey is made from grains other than barley, such as corn or wheat, and is typically distilled in column stills, also known as continuous or coffee stills. Grain whiskey is lighter and more neutral in flavor than pot distilled whiskey and is often used as a base in blended whiskeys. However, some grain whiskeys are bottled as single expressions, showcasing a smooth, sweet flavor profile. Examples include Teeling single grain and Glendalough single grain. Blended Irish whiskey. Blended whiskey is the most common type of Irish whiskey and is made by blending 2 or more types of whiskey, such as single malt, single pot still, and grain whiskey. The goal of blending is to create a balanced, consistent product that appeals to a wide range of consumers. Blended Irish whiskey is known for its smoothness and versatility, making it an excellent choice for both sipping and mixing in cocktails. Some of the most famous Irish whiskies, such as Jameson and Bushmills Original, are blended whiskies. Understanding the different types of Irish whiskey helps you appreciate the variety and versatility that the category offers. Whether you prefer the rich complexity of a single pot still whiskey or the approachable smoothness of a blended whiskey, there is an Irish whiskey to suit every palate.